Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by cleaning the glass with 70% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Remove grease, fingerprints, and dust until the surface is perfectly spotless. If old residue remains, gently scrape it with a single-edge razor at a shallow angle. Warm the sticker and liner with a hair dryer held 6 inches away for 20-30 seconds to relax the adhesive. Keep the sticker flat and avoid stretching the vinyl during this prep stage. Prepare an application fluid by mixing 1 teaspoon of dish soap with 500 ml of water. Spray the glass surface lightly so the vinyl can slide into perfect position. Align the sticker and start by peeling the backing at a 45-degree angle. Gently lay the vinyl onto the wet glass to eliminate positional errors. Use a 6-inch plastic squeegee and push from the center outward to expel water and air under the vinyl. After squeegeeing, inspect for trapped bubbles and use a fine pin to puncture any that remain. Press the area flat and squeegee again toward the nearest edge to remove moisture. Run a burnisher or credit card around the edges with firm pressure, about 2 pounds, to seal the adhesive. Allow the vinyl to cure undisturbed on the glass for 24 hours. Do not wash or expose to heavy moisture for 48 hours to ensure a permanent bond.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.